Hey guys, welcome back to UniVoyage. This is Manya Gupta from IIM Rohtak, and today's video is about IIFT Kakinada's IPM program. So IIFT Kakinada has launched their IPM program. It is a BBA plus MBA program starting in 2022. So the first 3 years of this program are going to be a semester system, while the last 2 years, which is the MBA part of it, is going to be a trimester system. At the end of each of the undergraduate years, the students will be required to take up some sort of internship or some sort of project as instructed by the institute. So according to the guidelines, at the end of the first year, you will be required to take up a social internship. At the end of the second year, you will be required to take up a corporate internship, while at the end of the third year, you will be required to submit an academic report and hold a seminar at the same time. The first batch is expected to have a seat intake from 40 to 45, somewhere around that, as per the guidelines received. Talking about the eligibility criteria now, so the candidate should have passed their 12th grade examination, which is the HSC examination, in arts, science or commerce or any other equivalent stream with an aggregate of 60%. This, however, is 55% for the candidates from SC, ST and PWD category. You must have passed this examination in either 2020 or 2021 or should pass it in 2022. Next, the candidate should have passed their 10th grade examination, again with 60%, which is 55% for the students from PWD, SC, ST and transgender category. This should have been passed in or after 2018. Next, mathematics is a compulsory subject in plus 2 level to be eligible for this particular program. Details about the fee structure and the accommodation have not been revealed yet. However, we are expecting it to be somewhere similar to the other B schools. The selection process is going to be through an entrance examination, which will test a candidate's aptitude, logical reasoning, English, mathematics. It will also consider a component of your previous academics, that is your 10th and 12th grade, along with gender diversity. So these were all the major updates received from the institution. If something else comes up, we will definitely notify you. We will also link the document in the description with all the information so that you can check it out for yourself. So this was it for today. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to UniVoyage. I'll see you soon.